Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be looking at informational text, graphs, charts, and diagrams. We're going to jump right in and look at these different features and how they're going to help you in your informational text. Remember, informational texts are facts. It is real stuff. It is nonfiction. Fiction is fake. Informational text, it's real. And so sometimes it's harder to understand because now we're reading for knowledge and not just for fun. So our first feature is a diagram. A diagram is a drawing or a picture that shows parts of something or explains how it works. So the example right here would be of the volcano. So you can see right here, there's the ash cloud. The vent is the hole. Down here is the magma chamber. Next up, we have a graph. A graph is something that I personally really like because I can just look at it really quickly. I have no idea what this is a graph of, but I can tell that red has the most, green has the least, and so on. It's just a way for you to see and be able to compare information very quickly. And then always you can look at it closer and find out more. A map, you guys were actually using this in this week's history lessons. A map is a drawing of part of the Earth's surface that shows its features or where things are located. So this is a map of the United States, and it has the abbreviations for all the states. Next up, we have a timeline. A timeline is actually a type of graph, and it shows the order of events over time. We kind of talked about this in our ELA session at the beginning of the week. It's in sequential order, so it's not bouncing around. It starts at the earliest and then moves on to the latest, or maybe it goes backwards, but it's not bouncing all the way around, okay? So you can look at this one that somebody drew. It started in 1819, and it looks like it says the steamboat's debut in Nashville. And then 1828, Andrew Jackson was elected president. 1830, Indian Removal Act. 1844, Polk elected president. 1850, Tennessee State Capitol building constructed. 1854, Nashville and Chattanooga Railroad lines. So all of this kind of seems like a lot of stuff is dealing with Tennessee, so maybe this is a timeline of events that affected Tennessee. So if you notice, it all went in order. It kind of had cute little pictures, kind of made it look nice too. Makes timelines easier to understand and more fun. If I was looking for something with railroads, I could look right here and automatically know that it was at this year, right? All right, so this week, make sure to come to ELA. You're going to get some more practice with graphs, diagrams, and charts. Follow your pathways for extra resources. Use Stride for extra practice. Remember, do your summit courses first. And please reach out to me if you need help or more tries on a quiz, because I can always do that. All right, I will see you in class. Bye, everybody.